Hi, this is Scott with iSpy Supply. Today I want to show you our newest custom-made hidden spy camera. It's built into a digital photo frame / day clock / alarm clock that can be wall mounted or more commonly placed on a table, countertop, or desk. Just put the stand on it and now it can sit on a desk. It's a Wi-Fi camera that can be viewed from anywhere using your smartphone. You can also view recorded video using your smartphone. It does have audio which can be turned on or off for both live viewing and recording purposes. It uses a LookCam for the app, which is compatible with both iOS and Android phones and tablets, and is very user-friendly. It can be set up in both continuous and motion-activated recording modes and comes with a 128 gigabyte memory already installed. The camera lens is right in the front, and it's about a 120-degree viewing angle. See, the camera lens is right there. I don't know if you can see it very well. It's very well hidden. You can access the DVR module through this hidden compartment on the side. It's right here. I don't know if you can see that very well, but you can access that if and when you need to. Now, since you can easily access your video from using your smartphone or app and just download it to your phone, you should never have to access this compartment. You can see some example video playing right now, and as you can see, it's of very good quality. We use this clock / digital photo frame / alarm clock because it fits into almost any environment. It can sit on a countertop, it can sit on a tabletop, or you can wall mount it. Right now it's in digital frame mode because it has an SD card inserted into it. It's right here on the back or on the side. If you want to switch it back over to clock or alarm clock mode, just take the SD card out and you'll see that it'll switch over here shortly. There you go. Now it's in alarm clock mode, whichever you want to call it. I'll do a more in-depth video soon, and I'll do one specifically for the LookCam app, showing exactly how it works and how easy it is to install. If you'd like more info or to order one, just see the link in the description below. And of course, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as we possibly can.